Let's dive right into the procedure. You will need distilled water, a clean mixing jar, rose clay, glycerine, preservative, rose essential oil, measuring cup, weighing scale, a stick blender, and an empty bottle. Take the rose clay in a mixing jar. Then, add the distilled water. Blend with the stick blender until the clay fully dissolved. Add the glycerine. Add xanthun gum. Xanthun gum is a plant-based thickener. Blend for a few minutes, until the liquid gets thick and foamy. Add rose essential oil to the mixture. Add the preservative. Blend well for 2 minutes. Finally, add the secret ingredient. Sodium Cocoyl Isethionate. This lightly scented and conditioning cleansing agent is gentle enough for use on the delicate skin, making it an ideal surfactant for personal care products. Blend everything fully for about 2 minutes. Let me test the final output. Take half a spoon gel and foam it up with water. Wow, it really smells and feels amazing. Fill your bottles and screw the lids. Now your everyday foaming face wash is ready.